Today we have got a classic problem, a Logitech H340 headset with a broken USB. It's broken. Instead of throwing it away, we are going to fix it step by step and bring it back to life. If you have ever had a headset stop working because of a faulty USB, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's try to open this USB part and see what we can do. It has some screw behind the sticker, so we have to peel it first. Apply some heat and try to screw. We can see screwdriver 1 and 2. Then what's inside? Yes. It has a broken trace. It's a real challenge. It will be a real challenge, I think. Clamp it with this PCB holder, and we need the microscope. I think you can see it. You can see the problem. This pin is completely detached from the board, and the trace is also gone. You can see there is no trace. Now we will see, is it positive or negative. Let's check it with a power bank. This one is negative, so it's a good news, because generally a negative pad is bigger than positive one, so it will be easy to fix, I think. At first we have to dismantle this USB thing, then we will try to repair the trace. After that we will reattach the USB again. We need soldering iron, we need hot air gun too. We will use this desoldering wick, and no, it's not working properly, so I am going to use my hot air gun. Okay, the plastic is melting. Hot air gun is not ideal for this situation, so what we can do? Okay, finally we can dismantle our USB cord, but it was not easy. Now we have to clean this pad and make it ready for attach the USB again. As you can see, here is the broken part of this trace. I'm trying to scratch in here and attach this USB with a jumper cable. For this kind of job we need a PCB grinder, but I don't have one. That's why it is little bit challenging for me. Let's clean it with thinner and cotton bud. It has also 3 connections from here, and from here. So I'm going to spread some from this part. It will make my soldering strong. Looks beautiful. Nice. This coat is clean, but this one is not. It will give us pain, but ultimately we will attach it again. I'm trying to give this heat from the bottom. When it melts, then done. And now this one, we need to apply some soldering paste here, because this joint is not good. I need to clean my soldering iron tip because it's dirty and it's not working well. Now it's better. I think it will work now. Yes, it works just fine. And now it's time to test it again. Before we're going to test it, let's see, is every pin is solid, and solid. Without the USB, everything looks fantastic, everything looks good, but is this okay or not? Is there any component or it was empty? I don't know. Let's check it with my laptop and see is it working or not. In my laptop it works just fine, but some little bit static noise, I don't know why, and I also don't know about this thing. Is this happened by me or it was empty from the beginning? I don't know. Our USB is attached again and I think it will work now. Let's check it in my laptop. Can you see? Can you hear the sound? It's from NCS. Let's assemble it again. Maybe from the side. Screw it first. And that's it. The Logitech H340 is back to life. USB fixed and working again. Yes, there is a little bit of static on the mic, but considering it was completely dead before, this is a big win. If you enjoyed this repair and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share it with others, and subscribe for more electronics fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.